Okay, go. Come on.
This is hilarious.
Hurry up. All of them. So funny.
No, no, no! You have to finish! He ran to the border. We are.
Ryan!
He does know he's still on video. Right?
You can do it, you can do it.
You can do it.
You can do it.
Never mind.
Okay, go ahead. Please. Please do.
I'm videotaping this too.
Hurry up. Just pick them up and then put them in your mouth. No, all of them at once.
Come on.
Now we can do that.
We're mean. Even the one that dropped out of your mouth.
Sucks.
It is.
Hurry up.
Hurry
You're so
up.
slow.
If my cat was here, she'd eat all of these in like a minute. My cat eats everything off the floor.
Mean.
It even says extreme on the bag.
Yep. But what?
The bag needs a caution sign.
Does it?
No.
Hurry up.
Hurry up, you still got like a whole bag to go.
No, you gotta get that one too.
You gotta get all off the floor before Instructor Ryan comes out here.
And then you have to vacuum.
Yeah, then you get to vacuum the floor. Alright, just stop.
No, you're not allowed to.
No. Did you spit it back in there?
I didn't. I promise you probably did.
Do you backwards? You can just have that bottle now.
He's going like this to the side. Oh,
You're brave.
I never tried Texas.
Okay. Then.
Uh-oh. She's getting ready to come in here.
Oh, great.
How great are we? Oh no, she's looking at the sign.
I'm really. Oh, still recording.
Let's like not get in trouble. She's leaving.
I like talking to them.
Good, more for me. You done?
You done?
Gotta do the rest. Gotta do the rest. No.
No.
No. You look like you have to pee.
You probably stick to it. You're not allowed to. Oh.
Aw, it's all the way over there. Come on, start rolling back. Force. No, just dump the whole
It's taking them 4 minutes to eat that bag.
It's not even a whole bag.